Good morning, students. St. Elizabeth School, Anjar. Standard 8, Subject Maths, Chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Topics to be covered in this chapter are Introduction, then Polygon, then Quadrilateral, Properties of Quadrilateral, Types of Quadrilateral. In types of quadrilateral, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus and square. Now first topic is introduction. Introduction. First of all, we have to understand or clear the concept about curve. A curve is a geometrical figure obtained when a number of points are joined without lifting the pencil from the paper and without retracing any portion. It is basically a line which need not to be straight. Types of curve. Open curve. An open curve is a curve in which there is no path from any of its points to the same point. See, this is a figure of open curve. After that, what is a closed curve? A closed curve is a curve that forms a path from any of its points to the same points. It means totally closed. This is the figure of closed curve. A closed curve which is not simple. So this is the figure of closed curve which is not simple, it's a complex. Now polygon. Next topic is polygon. Now what is the meaning of polygon? Poly means many. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. It means totally closed curve and it prepared by a only line segment is called a polygon. Example, curve that are polygon, totally closed. See, and here curve that are not polygon. Here this figure are not closed. It means these are curve but not polygon. Now classification of polygon. In classification of polygon, number of sides of vertex, then classification and sample of figure is given. First figure is triangle. In triangle there are 3 sides. After that quadrilateral, we say as a square or a rectangle because in square, rectangle and quadrilateral has a 4 side. After that pentagon figure. Pentagon has a 5 sides. After that hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. After that heptagon, then octagon, then nonagon and decagon. It means these are the figure of number of sides. So n number of sides we say n-gon. Diagonal. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. See, one figure is given. Now A and B. This is the line segment of AB. After that B, C. Then C, D. Then D, A. It means here 4 sides. AC is the diagonal because both are non-consecutive vertex. A vertex and C vertex totally are opposites. Then BD. It means in the above figure AC and BD are the diagonal. After that, see in the figure of pentagon, AD, AC, BE, BD are the diagonal of this pentagon. Same as in hexagon and same as in triangle. Dotted line is given. So these are the diagonal. Next is interior and exterior of closed curve. Now see the first figure. In this figure, internal part are shaded. So we called as interior. See the next figure. Outer part is shaded. So we called as exterior. Now see the blue shaded part. See carefully blue shaded part. In first figure, blue shaded part is in internal. So we call as interior. And in second figure, blue shaded part is outer of the figure. It means we call as exterior. Now types of polygon. Concave and convex polygon. See this figure. All interior angles are less than 180 degree. So we call as concave. And see this figure. At least one interior angle is greater than 180. So we call as convex. Example. See, these are the concave figure and these are convex. Now next type of polygon is regular and irregular polygon. Name of the polygon is given regular and irregular. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon and octagon. In triangle 3 sides, quadrilateral 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides and octagon 8 sides. In regular polygon, all sides and all angles are equal. And irregular polygon, all sides and all angles are not equal. Now angle sum property of a polygon. According to the angle sum property of a polygon, the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon is equal to in bracket n minus 2 multiply 180 degree, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Now see this figure. One quadrilateral is given. A, B, C, D. 4 vertex A, B, C, D. It means angle A and angle B, angle C, angle D. AC and BD are diagonal. It means 1, 2, 3, 4. Division of a quadrilateral into 2 triangle. 2 triangle, it means ABC or ADC. It means 2 triangle. We can see this side or that side. Division of a quadrilateral into 2 triangle. As we can see for the above quadrilateral, if we join one of the quadrilateral, we get 2 triangles. The sum of all the interior angle of the 2 triangle is equal to the sum of all the interior angle of the quadrilateral, which is equal to 360 degree. Equal to in bracket 4 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. Now see the formula sum of property of a polygon n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. And so in quadrilateral there are 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. And each triangle carry 180 degree. Now continue. So if there is a polygon which has n sides, we can make n minus 2 non-overlapping triangles which will perfectly cover that polygon. See this figure. In triangle 3 sides are there. So angle sum 180 because n minus 2, 3 sides, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 multiply 180 degree is 180 degree. After that, see this figure, 4 sides. So 4 minus 2, it means 2 multiply 180 degree. After that 5 sides, 5 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. Then after that 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 multiply 180 degree. The sum of the interior angles of the polygon will be equal to the sum of the interior angle of the triangles equal to in bracket n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. Thank you. Next topic we will cover in next video.